In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align start date and schedule in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll know how to set a clear starting point for your plan and, when needed, shift the entire schedule forward or backward without disrupting your structure. First, open your project and head to the Project tab on the ribbon. This is your control center for overall plan settings. Click Project Information. In the dialog that opens, look for the Schedule From field. Set this to Project Start Date. This tells Microsoft Project to calculate task dates forward from a single starting point, which is the most common and predictable way to plan. If it's set to Project Finish Date, the tool will work backward from an end date, which is useful for deadlines but can be confusing if you're aiming to build out a plan from day one. Next, enter the start date you want the project to begin. This becomes the anchor for all auto-scheduled tasks that don't have fixed constraints. Take a second to confirm it matches your organization's working calendar, because non-working days and holidays can shift how tasks land on the timeline. When you're satisfied, click OK. At this point, your project has a defined starting point, and Project understands it should schedule from that date. Now, if your plan already exists and you need to move everything to a new start, maybe the kickoff changed, stay on the Project tab and choose Move Project. In the Move Project dialog, type the new start date you want. Microsoft Project will calculate how far to shift the plan and move tasks accordingly. You'll also see an option to reschedule unfinished work only. Turn this on if some tasks are already completed and you want to keep their actuals in place while only moving the remaining work. Leave it off if you want to shift the entire timeline, including any completed tasks' positions, to match the new start. Click OK to apply the change. The Gantt chart should now reflect your updated plan. Durations won't change. You're simply moving the plan in time. If some tasks don't move as expected, it's usually because of date constraints, manually scheduled tasks, or resource and task calendars that limit when work can occur. You don't need to change anything right now, but it's good to be aware that these factors can pin tasks in place. That's it. You've set your project to schedule from a specific start date and learned how to shift the entire schedule when plans change, all while keeping your structure intact.